travel. Why do you want to leave your father's land to go to some other country and work?
I think I'm gonna take this guy when he's smelly.
Let me this man. Auntie, the economy is bad. Just look at me, I'm a graduate. There is no work, no nothing. Even the men are complaining.
I want the files of the guys behind all these atrocities on my table in less than 2 hours. I'm giving you 2 hours. Otherwise, somebody's asses will be fried.
Listen, I'm angry with you. Peter that is supposed to be selling 5 naira, you are selling 10 naira. It is bad now, it's called t-shirt.
This is trouble.
Labulewa, walking, isa, afibi eleri ibu. Eje mi no going.
I'm a role model, man. I'm a superstar. I can't believe this. After helping the police, and now they're getting us arrested?
They were fighting like Jackson, breaking bones like Bruce Lee. So, these people are good. Were you not there?
Yes.
Shut up! Just shut up! Now listen to yourself, Storm. You are nothing but a kangaroo. In fact, you are a disgrace to the police force.
But it don't happen. It don't happen again. Yes, now.